Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching. Ene ni dedi kan ya wode ehwe me a mesre na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell ne so. We be notification. News e de betun bia we be atie anase we be ahwe. E wo GCN page ha. Felix Apia eye Facebook blogger. Na normally no o kasa ede ema NPP amayoku no na Felix eyobia. NPP for ya na enya obeka. NDC phone so any obom echi papa na Felix na oka say ne sema okay na ne say eya Komenda chief a owo ho Yakupon ene no bedi papa because abra oman penida that his excellency John Dramani Mahama eya president e wo Ghana hanum no obeka kire Ghana fo say waye sugar factory e wo Komenda factory no e run sugar ekoso ema journalist bi o Ghana ha kra kosa sugar ne bi de betre Ghana fo se ejampa sugar factory no eye adwuma omo produce sugar e wo Ghana hanom na omampani dada John Dramani Mahama efia bem anase NDC fo efia bem no ene ensem bebre na akoso na odwe ni ekiremu e wo Komenda na kire se sugar factory na NDC fo mo so no mo kire se e run no enya dia ekoso factory no esi ho anrenese machine se omi na ese a chese Ghana sika na eco waste enya semketo akra na no na Felix chese NDC for sorry propaganda can say na do why you say na do why you say na so mo abem no enye obebre na mo ye ya na entwa ye anko ye kwakra teacher pa eye Komenda sugar factory amoba out ebe kache Ghana for say mo aye factory na factory no e run na mo fi abem factory ni si ho a chese nese anrengan na sa no factory na mbeda da Ghana for no e we hene no na Felix chese abra sensemi ekoso no eye Komenda chief so eba out ebe ka sa asem no eye no kware na no na ende ajiga Felix na o kire se Yakupon ene ohen no ebedi ye papa because entro na oba out ebedi kire Ghana for no yenti ensem Felix ede etuja
etia market yesi ya yesi Mr. Mahama na esi ye MPP for nton ade o MPP for nko ton ade ana omo nko ton ade o kejetia market wo omo ko ton so you should be happy misi ye nie wa wo si huhu we bibia Yakupon tua oka wa wo si huhu eku juice bia wo Ghana nti akufo ado NC factory bia no nyame tua oka especially MPP communicators nyame tua moka mako ko mo ye nipa bonefo MPP communicators amaka manu atum because amosi mo de ya didi agam no Yakupon tua moka mako wo de amode ye na ado no enie we ya ka kire ye se nkrante age hwafa enkrante ne na bi juice abrenyen no enie mesremo ene ye hwe samo se mo evidence because mo te Ghana mo de mu hu hwe we ye wo Ghana meboa ekumfi juice enie eku juice enie wa wonum bi no kope bi nom nyame adawroma manya kakra me di tu kwan enie but ye nya communicators bi ebetna platform so ka kire ye plain blank say ye nya factory bi a wo Ghana na journalist ya wo wadwuma ne se wo beka no kore wo journalist ya obema ordinary guy ne asabi wono de went to mianko school hu dia koso no ye beka no kore a kire no mo de omo nka nkire no Samen Adams fa kwase ya free page no so enyansafo nko na egu ha se wo ba na odwen se ye ni evidence ayi eno ane se we ye ba be kasa kwa won se wa kwase ampani won se wa jimi abeji we ni so eni eku juice eni ekufu adonsa no djuma efe ye de Ghana ma ekufu ado se won ne nna no emma wo wu na ebi ni eku juice ye de Ghana ama Ghana ye hyehyɛ ne kama de ne ma ye ekufu ado se gina ne nkoda mu nkoda ne ye nhwe ma mo be wo no ne mma o mo wu ye ne bi ni nkofa John Mahama de ye mra ye nhwe. And that is where I'm coming. Somebody stood there and told us, say, Komenda sugar factory is operational. Now, Komenda man hina makachre na nanum baby saw. Say sika wo je ya wo de dada wo man for say yes sugar factory amamo no. Nyame baby saw Komenda man hina. Motena ho ne sika 32 million dollars. Eshigu kwa. Mokura mo se yemfa mo mra mo a mo hyabo amundi so na nya Ghana yet then. Na aban bi ba. Na aban na beka kire say ne budget ya ono ankasa hwehwe ba ye. 6 years in a row, 6 years in a row, they never met their their budget never met their target. This is NDC. And if you want to know the evidence, my yes evidence, no harder that. But pick their 2012 survey budget. From 2013 budget, 2014 budget, 2015 budget, 2016 budget. They did not, the word is they did not meet any of their targets. Their ass, if you want to be a fumo on say, almost science so every year be a mid-year review. Now, where some pen these communicators come and prove me wrong. Every mid-year be that they went for mid-year review. They went for what we call supplementary budget. One time now make me into farmer DM. They say they have evidence base. Yes. Evidence base in Kwan here. Evidence base. Yeah, evidence base. I mean 2 million now. They say yeah, yes, I near money bill. They say near man crow 4 coin. I'm one more mamma that dying. Most more evidence, yeah, evidence, then yeah, the mamono. Bra. Now grown ye be dinner. Mo. Aya no kwa, mo hwe we so e. Ekumfi juice, pineapple. Me ba choma hu. We a pineapple ginger and we a pineapple. Which means say for a factory to manufacture these things, you know, we need farmers are number 1. Omubedua eye abrobe no. Enti show ekumfi juice nko ano. Ye hia farmers are omobedo abrobe. Womo omobedo ginger. Womo omobedo akutu. Womo omobedo sa niama ye de beye say fruit juice we. Look at the employment will come with it. Yan fan say what dear one more dot pineapple them are buying no crap no. Yan fan say 100,000 and that's what they no crowd also. Yan fan say 15,000. No the year did. Sam George new pharmaceutical way on my man on. Wow, we no compare you on ho. Or no quite 10% slot in the company, the pharmaceutical company no from the NDC for Sam George or 10% slot. And this is fact. Me say pharmaceutical company na nanse ya be omo be vaccines for Ghana no. Sam George ya Ecosin the constituency ya friend no Honorable Sam George Pram constituency or 10% slot. It is a nipa no 100 near be far. Wono nko agi nipa 10. So the ombe wurem. No we are wabetene TV so I said the government is not going well. Meanwhile your NDC government couldn't even build you a garri processing factory. No. No hoso dan kamu dua banchi ya gelepa agbelima kamomo ho no mote no. NDC government didn't build one factory for you people say monche gari wo ho na Ghana for nya gari ndi. Sam George aban na won penasem na Kufuado sakawa no. Papa na oye adwuma na nso bone e woni petri mutima ma dwen se mu begu papa na nimu ase no. Oba ye so far 2 big companies here wo Ghana ha we will find them in Pram. One is the steel company I'm talking about. Kufuado ne ko bia no ma wo. One district, one factory project. Project na Samson enyi eno motena parliament ka say ye tro na enye no kure no. Sam George a benefit you. Into so say ye boa, o megina han kan kire say ye boa. Yankasa ye man. Ne ya ban in opposition. Aban bia ba osi factories. Me gina ho no, me mpan bo ne say meba power. Say I'm passing on my who adwene na me adwene a sanka me wa ideas bi kura me dem current government ne say sa companies here mu si de e be boa yen sa company we are mu si ne de e be boa yen ti no sebe yen ye den yen hyemu kena because you see factories I'm just better na ho ye de wie ye no you see factory no wa 10% slot so the nkrofo ewuram what 10% slot say or the nkrofo ewuram the amaka no Google obi de agua B5 company at Pram who Google na ni ho abrebe huro mi wa ha maka kire say we will do only honest broadcasting say nipa 3 kra na be hwe yan hwe yan be ye de no kra na be magana for because we are tired of using propaganda to lie to Ghanaians and deceive Ghanaians all because of vote. Some judge say ye dear Semetian or Parliament, you can't say Supreme Court. So you better. As for today, there will be no government business done. We will make sure there will be no government business done. Yeah, your government business. Now some judge you read a free say. Sabi pram for two abama no. No monsieur unko jino man them said the beye nyuma pa government ne person ye on jibimra ho. Na ntimi bisa some judge say ojina wa okatre yen say on ankasa ne 10% slot no okonya no we. Is somebody listening? This man said he will stop every government business because the Supreme Court has voted against them. For ruling the case against NDC, he vowed on national TV, and the videos are there, said there will be no government business done in Parliament. Then I asked myself, what is government business? Roads, schools, infrastructures. Ghana force ye pay juma. Pram force ye pay juma. Omu MP say, ye di asametia no you said the Supreme Court intino on pnema ye fair juma maho. Yes, that is what that means. Unkosuna mama politicians ne na dying. Ono eba se muntu abama no beji nyuma pa de abaho. Aban bi se oye one district one factory. Sam George say ye di asametia no Supreme Court intino on pnema government business. Nkona me bisa wa wote pram say B5 year ye be pie. O pa kire me say pram ni bi anya adwuma ho ana. Pharmaceutical company ya na say ye kufu aduko biema omi. Are you telling me say pram ni bi anya adwuma ho ana? But your MP who you stood in line to vote for at night was willing to say, oh, my government business in cause the party for say, Munko frustrated the system. Then Nyansa Mo who say government business is what the people need. And you people are still there. Me say me bagane. One more car say one district, one factory, ye trono. Me ankasa me hubi. Me nko akra me ba ye mi hu ye kra no. Me hu mu 10. Ena maka akire no. Me ba ye no. Me hu mu 10. Ena hwe. Na eya na mentias you. Hwe se adwuma ba area.